and happy Valentine's Day to you. Did I got ready? Wash your hands, wash your fruit. Let's get into it, okay? If you have a rotten joint like this, let it go. Amen. That's not your ministry.
Cause it's different and we're not the same. There's many things have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting ties. I don't wanna be a ex.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach them fashion, lifestyle, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. This video is a very special video because, as you all know, it's Valentine's Day, and I wanted to do something that was like super cute, super chill, something that you can do for your family, your friends, your boo, your bae, because I know you want to do something with your hands to make it more meaningful. So this is actually my first lifestyle video. Yes, so this is going to be cooking with Chloe, right? We are going to do a Valentine's Day themed charcuterie board. Are y'all ready? So if you're ready to get started, honey, grab your apron and let's get to it. Everybody put on your apron. This is super cute. I actually got this from a baking class, so it has like a tutu at the bottom or whatever. So I'm gonna put this on. Make sure y'all hands is washed, not antibacterial hand sanitizer. Make sure you wash your hands, okay? So we're gonna put this on, and then I like to wrap mine like this. And isn't my dress super cute? I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna link everything down below. This dress is so festive, and I like to tie my apron in the front. I don't know, girl, I'm a little bit bougie. So let's talk about the things you're gonna need, okay? So because this is Valentine's Day theme, it's gonna be a like chocolate with a lot of reds situation. So what are we gonna use? We're gonna use these chocolate covered pretzels. I got these from Walmart. They were like $3, the chocolate covered pretzels. We're gonna use, these are Raisinets. All right, I think they was like $2.98 at the Walmart as well. We're gonna use the Hershey Minis, and then we're gonna use the snack size Twix. So now we are going to wash our fruit, and I'm gonna put it all together, and we're gonna get started. Are y'all ready? Wash your hands, wash your fruit. Let's get into it, okay? And also, I'm gonna be making this for a party, so I'm actually gonna use gloves. I don't know, I'm like that. You don't have to use gloves if this is for your family, but when it comes to, strangers, I love to use gloves. Girl, these are the Playtex latex. Make sure you go to Target aisle, straight back, okay? I got these from Target, I believe. These are the good ones from the Todd J. Get you some good gloves. So we have our blackberries, ooh, raspberries. We have our grapes. I left the grapes still attached to the vine. Our strawberries. Also, we have our strawberries. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare some of the strawberries. These big old joints like this, these big joints, sometimes I like to cut them depending on the size. So the baby ones, these baby ones, I'm not gonna cut them in half. I'm just gonna take off some of the dead leaves. If this is for decor, so if you see, let me show y'all one with the dead leaf. This baby one, big one. So y'all see right here? Y'all see this little dead leaf right here? Okay, I'm gonna take that off because, girl, why is your leaves brown like that? And you just toss it in the trash, okay? So the bigger ones I'm gonna cut, so I'm just separating them. If you have a rotten joint like this, let it go. Amen. That's not your ministry. Okay, the rotten joints, let them go. Okay, so this one is the perfect one that I want to cut in half because of the shape. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, so I like cutting them in half just like this, okay, for decor purposes. Okay, so let me cut these. And I like to leave the leaves on them when I cut them in half just for the decor of it. Some people don't. but I do, because it's like, why wouldn't you leave it on there? It just makes it look like a full strawberry. But some people, they don't like to leave it. I do. I like to cut them in half. And again, this is like 1 tub of strawberries. I'm gonna come back after I cut everything and we're gonna start. Okay, y'all, so this is actually the charcuterie board I'm gonna use. Girl, the price tag is still on in Mind Your Business. I got it for $8.99 at the DD's. I haven't been able to take it off, so this is how we're gonna present it to the party. Okay, so now that we have all our ingredients, okay, we're just gonna get started. I would unwrap the chocolate, unwrap the Twix. Okay, we're not going to keep them wrapped. We're going to unwrap these and cut open the pretzels. Okay, I'm going to zoom y'all in so y'all can see exactly how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put some nice romantic February music because I can't really tell you how I'm going to do it, but you're going to see the picture of what I'm looking for right here, and we're just going to be creative. Okay, so let me get y'all set up and then we're going to get to it. Okay, but again, you can get these from Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, DD's, any of them, and they're super cheap, like $10, $9. The bigger ones are like $15. They have one that actually looks like wood. They got turntables. Be creative, use what you got. Okay,
drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Yeah, every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would've thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Who would've thought I'd get you? And I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just fill you up and I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just build you up and I take. Ooh, who would've thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, babe. Who would've thought I'd get you?
y'all, so how did it come out? I love it. These pretzels crack. These chocolate covered pretzels from the Walmarts, zoom in on me, shawty. These right here, crack. Okay, crack. So I think I'm gonna do plastic wrap for this. So I got two kinds. I got the wisdom. This is the Great Value plastic wrap, or I got the clean wrap. So I'm nervous because I have to transport this to the actual party. So I'm gonna take this whole thing out first and unravel it. Oh. Y'all, this is really what I do. So when people be like, girl, what you be doing? This. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna make it longer than the board. So like maybe a fourth longer than the board. And I'm gonna make sure that I have a fourth behind the board, a fourth over the board, a fourth over the board, right? And then I'm gonna cut this off. Oh, okay. Cooperate with me. And I'm gonna cut this off and then I'm gonna tuck it. So we have a fourth on each side, so it should go underneath the board. That's how much cling wrap you should have. This one has a handle, so I'm gonna be real gentle and stuff it like you make. Oh, this is like making a bed. This is like making a bed so nothing moves. And then I'm gonna do this side. Girl, I'm nervous. Oh, shoot. Okay. Who's that? Okay, at this point, we're not gonna worry about the lighting because I'm trying to wrap this because I'm late per usual. But I'm leaning the board on the outside of the counter and I'm tucking underneath the clean wrap underneath it so I can get a handle on it. Tucking it underneath each side like I'm making a bed. And then I'm gonna scoot it around. Scoot it around to seal it in. Some people could tape it. Maybe that would have been easier, right, to tape it. Let's tape. I'm doing this as I go. This is my first charcuterie. So I'm gonna tape the clean wrap underneath here. And taping it directly to the wooden part of the board. So plastic to wood, plastic to wood. There we go. Oh, look at us. Look at us being smart. Using our resources. Okay. And do it like that. Woo. Okay, and then we're gonna turn it. So again, I'm making it longer on each side, like a fourth long on each side. Because y'all know it's COVID, so y'all need to make sure that this thing is saran tight. Girl, this look like we at the church banquet. So basically nothing should be moving after you do all of this. Like everything should stay in place. Okay, y'all, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope this gave you some ideas to do your own charcuterie board. Again, I'm gonna put a good picture right here of it. And this is how I wrapped it. Super, super safe, cleaned. All of it is taped underneath. I think I'm gonna put this in my IKEA big blue bag and I'm just going to bring that to the party. But anyway, yeah, so I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this was a fun video. I had a good time making it. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge until I leave, so let me know if you made this for your boo, your bae, your husband, your boyfriend, your mom, your grandma, the Valentine's Day party at work. Whenever you made this, please tag me on Instagram at XOChloeElise and make sure you use my hashtag XOChloeElise too, so I can put y'all on my stories and get you some tape because she wanted to make an entrance. But I see y'all on the next one. Peace and God bless and happy Valentine's Day to you. Dun, dun. I'm feeling very, very Gladys, very Farrah Fawcett with my bangs and my silk press with a rollers on it. So yeah, bye guys.